Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at Dogecoin, seeing what's going on. We're still not out of the doghouse yet. Pun is intended for that one, but because we're still below this descending trend line, right? However, we are starting to break through the cloud, kind of seeing some light at the end of the tunnel, and we're going to talk about what that means for us here with this coin. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Greatly appreciate you liking, subscribing, following if you haven't already. Absolutely helps on every single video. Quick congrats to our community members too. Nice profits from OP, 30% in 5 hours, HBAR 35 in 57 minutes, and 40 minutes Bitcoin 21%. So awesome stuff there. Yesterday was a great trading day for us. Kudos on that. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at Dogecoin back in liquidation levels and kind of see what's going on here, because this data is important to recognize that we got a lot of liquidation just above the price action. So these shorts are starting to stack up. Everybody feels like the price is going to reverse. All the more reason why the price is probably going to continue higher. Okay, so careful shorting this coin right now. A lot of coins are exuding some bullish strength, mainly because Bitcoin is back on track, at least within reason, at 59K, but it's holding steady. It's not dumping like crazy. So again, with this range between 57 and 60K for Bitcoin, a lot of altcoins are coming back alive. Dogecoin appears to be one of those, but again, we're still a ways off from any type of bullish confirmation. So you have to recognize that a long to the moon is not really all that appropriate right now. You should never do that in the first place. Always secure profits when you can, but the bottom line here is that Dogecoin is not out of the woods. So let's look at this here. We're below all moving averages minus the 200, so that's generally unfavorable. Under 50 on the RSI, stochastic is swinging up and MACD is diverging a little bit, losing its momentum. So there's some positive consolation, but it's really no other way around it. The daily time frame still looks pretty bad. Okay, let's just summarize it that way. Okay, and then of course we look at the 4 hour. We're still below this descending trend line, getting rejected tentatively, or trying to break through above rather the 20-day SMA. But mainly we're below the 50. Okay, 50 is a big deal to get above on the 4 hour, in my personal opinion. It usually runs concurrent with a lot of trends. We can see MACD is converging. Most coins are exuding the same behavior right now. That natural knee-jerk reaction of Bitcoin being back on track. We can also see RSI under 50. Getting above that is important. We want to be above 50 in the RSI, and preferably on the hourly. We also want to be above the cloud, which we are not yet, technically. Okay, so if you take a look at this here, you can see we are slightly above, but you want to have confirmation about the cloud at least 3 or 4 hours. Okay, so this is not a full-on confirmation. Stochastic, the convergence line is above the baseline. Lagging span's free and clear, so there's actually a lot of good reasons here as to why a long position seems more viable than taking a short. Okay, but the truth is the coin has been moving in the same direction for some time, and a pullback would make sense. A lot of times the pullbacks come to this most recent high to effectively work as a new low. So the previous high turns into a new low for us. Okay, so hypothetically, 13 cents will be the bouncing point for this coin, and the price continues higher if it pulls back. Okay, we could see it just take off because again, Bitcoin's showing some strength here, holding that level there at about 59 plus. So again, decent stuff, all things considered. Just trying to get too crazy with your leverage. Low leverage, low position size for these situations is extremely important. Do not get destroyed just because some Tom, Dick, and Harry online is telling you it's a good trade. Especially myself, do your own TA, use your own risk tolerance. But from a bird's eye view, even a deeper dive here, we can see that Dogecoin has some strength and is getting better, but it's not by any means perfect. Okay, so that's kind of where we're at there. Good stuff for the most part. That's where we're at. Again, cryptocash.tech is a site. Link down below if you want to join my Trading Academy community and signals group. If you do want to trade with a better exchange, phenomenal exchange here, Bitunix. Link down below to register for them. $5,500 in benefit rewards. No KYC or VPN. Awesome exchange. We use them as a community and we love them. Thank you, Bitunix, and thank you too for watching. Deeply appreciate you liking, subscribing, and following. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.